Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Attic Cut File Shop, where I am using this cut file. This came from, a while ago. I will post it up on top, and then I'll link it all down below. But it is a stitched one. I did hand stitching while I was watching the championship game for the girls basketball over the weekend, and so I finished it up, and now I'm able to get to what I needed to do for my layout for today, for today's video. And I am going to use this picture here, and then it's going to go on the backing, and the collection that I am using is Photo Plays Paper Showers and Flowers. And it's got sheets of different ones. And then I did get the embellishment pack for the March collection. So I've got this. And then I do have the 12 by 12 set. So I've got quite a bit to work with this. So let's see what I can do. Okay, so I am going to distress the sides. And you're going to see me use a couple of different a couple of different papers. On this, I wanted to have just a little bit of a border within a border within a border, just to add a little bit of something, because when I do get their collections from the scrap room, I personally can only get one layout done with them because of the amount of embellishments and paper products I use on my layouts. Now, for the most part, I know that while I watch the design team for the scrap room and some of the other individuals that do post about the scrap room, they can get more, but that's because I feel like they use less than what I do, and that's totally fine. So for me, I'm going to butt this up as much as possible so you can see that you do see the border within a border within a border. I personally like the way this looks. I didn't want it to take away from the sunbeam. Didn't even realize until I started doing this more that it kind of became a monochromatic layout in a sense. So I started out with squeezed lemonade for my distress oxide, and I wanted to add to the star beams. And while on camera, you can't really see it, and not even really in the still shots, but it does pop off the page when you see it in front of you. And then I do come in with the white splatters. I just wanted to add a little bit of a white back into it since I kind of covered up some of the polka dots. The yellow paper that I use does actually have polka dots on it, but they're tiny, and it's that little bit of embellishment. So my title is going to be Happy Bloom. And I don't know, I really like this. I know it has nothing to do with flowers or anything, but Kaylin really had to bloom her way through this particular summer because my husband was gone on deployment, and she really had to just push through some of her issues she was having before school started on her fourth grade year, because this was in between her third and fourth and fifth. In between fourth and fifth. I know I'll get it right sometime. So yeah, so that is all about that. I don't know, whenever, third and fourth. Here I am fighting with myself in my brain. It's third and fourth because Josh was deployed yet. So I'm going to take this banner and I'm going to swing it out, and you'll see how I connect it. I really like how that turned out. It kind of gave this line to watch while you are going through this process. Now, I enjoy what this looks like. Make sure that you go check out the Stitched Sunshine or Stitched Sun cut file through Confessions of the Paper Attic Cut File Shop. It will be all linked down below. Make sure that you go check out my channel as well. If you are new, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I am trying to hit 4,000 subscribers, and that would be awesome if I could get that by the end of the year. Obviously, Confessions released their Virginia over there released her new set of design team members, so make sure that you go check out the new ones. We had to give up some of the OGs. I'm getting to be probably one of the last OG that she had. I just absolutely love her cut files. She's one of the most caring, easy going design team person out there that has a design team, and I absolutely obviously love her cut files. I use them a lot, but believe it or not, I do get other cut files, but I always gravitate back to hers. It is what it is. So make sure you go give some love to the new ones. Give heartfelt gratitude to the old ones, the OGs. I know that they have talked about that they were leaving on their channel and stuff, confessions, just because of life situations and all of that fun stuff. But yeah, I think I'm one of the OGs left. I really do. Whew. But as long as Virginia has me, I'm definitely not going anywhere. I love all about her cut files. I just love everything. We're on a ton of collaborations together. It's been a blast working with her, and I absolutely love her, and I can't wait for the next 6 months to see how everything goes together. And yeah, so as I said, here we go. I know that you can't see the word A in there, but in the still shots you can tell that the letter A is there. Now I did come in with the pops of color. The orangey one that I'm using right now is called Sunflower, and the other one is Lemon Chiffon. I'm not sure, however you want to say that. So that is what I'm putting in there, just adding a little bit of yellow back in there, and then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Make sure that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.